your safe storage container. All right, the first thing to do is wash your hands with soap. You will need water for washing. It should be water that has been filtered by the biosand filter and disinfected. This is called treated water. The next step is to wash the container inside and out with soapy treated water. Then drain the used soapy water through the tap. Rinse the container well using treated water and drain it through the tap. Then air dry the container. After that, you need to disinfect the tap. You can do it 2 ways. 1. Use chlorine on a clean cloth. Or 2. Wash the tap with soap, water, and a clean cloth if chlorine isn't available. Now you know how to clean your safe storage containers.